In a few weeks, the eHeal workshop will begin. This year it's in Istanbul, Turkey, and I'm really looking forward to this event. Unfortunately, we won't be able to travel to Turkey and meet in person. Thus, the event will take place online in Zumistan. Nevertheless, I wanted to get into the mood for this conference. I checked a few websites for travel advice to Turkey. The first advice was, check the validity of your passport and find out if you need a visa. Well, since we're not actually traveling, we don't have to worry about this. The second advice was, learn some Turkish words. So I found a few apps online and played around with them. This was really fun, although I'm not sure for how many apples and almonds I'll ask during the online workshops. The third advice was to visit a hammam. And I'd really love to. But hammams are closed at the moment, so this will have to wait. The fourth advice was to try some Turkish food. Restaurants are still kind of also closed at the moment, so I got myself this book with Turkish vegetarian recipes. And I tried some. They were really nice, although it took me ages to clean up my kitchen afterwards. The fifth advice was to watch some Turkish movies or read books by Turkish authors. If you have any recommendations, please leave them in the comments below. And also tell me how you are getting prepared for this online workshop. Our next step will actually be to prepare our own workshop, and we hope to see you all there.